Introduction. Kubernetes, an open source platform that's revolutionized how applications are deployed, scaled, and managed. If you've ever wondered how modern companies like Google, Netflix, or Spotify handle massive application workloads, Kubernetes is the answer. Let's explore what Kubernetes is, why it's important, and what alternatives you can consider. Overview of Kubernetes. So, what exactly is Kubernetes? At its core, Kubernetes, often abbreviated as K8s, is an open source container orchestration platform. It was originally developed by Google and is now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Kubernetes helps manage containers, those lightweight, portable units of software at scale. Imagine you have a fleet of containers running your application. Kubernetes steps in as the traffic controller, ensuring each container runs optimally, scales when needed, and heals itself if something goes wrong. It's all about automation, efficiency, and reliability in the cloud-native world. Why Kubernetes? Now you might ask, why Kubernetes? Why not just run applications directly on servers? Here's why. Scalability. Kubernetes automatically scales your application based on demand. High availability. It ensures your applications are always up and running, even if some containers fail. Portability. Kubernetes works across multiple cloud providers and even on-premises data centers. Efficient resource utilization. It helps you get the most out of your infrastructure by optimizing resource use. In short, Kubernetes simplifies what would otherwise be a very complex task, managing modern, distributed applications. Key concepts and terminologies. To truly understand Kubernetes, you need to know a few essential terms. Here's why. Cluster, a set of nodes managed by Kubernetes. Node, a machine, either virtual or physical, where Kubernetes runs workloads. Pod, the smallest deployable unit in Kubernetes, typically representing one or more containers. Service, a way to expose your application to the outside world or other components within the cluster. Deployment, a blueprint for managing a set of pods. These concepts form the building blocks of Kubernetes and help you control and scale your applications effortlessly. Kubernetes alternatives. Kubernetes is powerful, but it's not the only option. Some alternatives include Docker Swarm, simpler than Kubernetes, great for smaller projects. OpenShift, a Kubernetes-based platform with added developer tools and enterprise features. HashiCorp Nomad, lightweight and easier to use, especially for smaller setups. Each has its strengths, so your choice will depend on your project's needs. Conclusion. That wraps up our introduction to Kubernetes. We've covered its overview, benefits, key concepts, and even some alternatives.